Weren't you just dying to know what sort of laundry detergent I use? Draft. These all, they might be dead. In which case, we're not making Clem's Casino. Chicken a la king, chicken a la king, oh, chicken a la king. What song is that? Oh, Riders on the Storm. Do you think a fox is more like a cat or more like a dog? What do you think? I agree.
No, they are.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm just saying emotionally.
Oh, okay.
They seem more like a cat. Is that on?
Yes.
Because we can't see it anymore.
I moved it so you would stop looking at it.
Does that look weird to you? Does that look like a tick bite?
It's got a light block. Put it in here. It's gravity fed.
What does that mean,
Love this
gravity
thing.
fed, though? Okay.
Oh, no.
I mean, there's so many monarch butterflies out there, it's crazy. And it make, they're endangered now, It's like, wow, right? Everything, the world is hard on little things, man. It's
Everything
really
beautiful
true.
is getting destroyed.
Well, not everything.
Not everything.
But I mean, it's pretty rough out there. But let's talk about alcohol. Oh, I'm getting neuropathy in my my operative leg. Can you believe I had my hip replaced? God damn, that's good. Wow. I would eat that on toast.